Assalamu alaikum. May peace, mercy, and blessing be on all of you. This is Milon Ahmmed. I'm gonna talk about something about the riverbank of Kalizira. After a long time, I'm here, and whenever I was getting time, that time I wanted to come here, but right now I'm not getting enough time, so that's why I'm not getting here. So in this place, actually, beautiful place, and this landscape of this place are just mind blowing. Just if you see this part, actually it's a land. This land is being cultivated in this place. Actually, few places they are cultivating some rice, and that's actually amazing. And in my right side it has the river, and this river's name is Kalizira river, and it's a beautiful river, one of the beautiful river I think in my area. I like it much more. Whenever I get time, then I try to visit here with my friends, and we are getting a lot of time together. So that's amazing. But actually after a long time, my friends, they are actually studying in university, and I'm not getting time, and they are not getting time to come here. Whenever we get time, that time we try to visit this place. That's nice, amazing. And I have huge memory in this place, that we were just visiting this place. So in this river from our childhood till now, we are just taking bath in this river, and this river is much more famous. And the other side, it's known as Horinafulia, and this side it's Rayapur, and the village name is Rayapur. So we are belong to Raipur. So that's great, and that's a great place, and the natural beauty and everything, especially in this village people, they are much more frank, and they're hospitable. If you come here, you will be amazed or surprised by getting their hospitality, how much hospitable we are. If you believe it or not, but if you come, you will get the hospitality, how much hospitable we are, especially the frank people. We are living together, we are enjoying our natural beauty, and a lot of things. If I actually try to talk about my village, that's nice. And this river, lot of fishermen, they are collecting their fish this river every day and every month. Even they have some special tricks for collecting fish, that's known as jhao. I don't know what is the English of it. And in other area where they're using this word, so they are using this system for collecting fish, and a lot of system are now available. And this land actually mind blowing and beautiful land. Just the farmer, they are cultivating in this field, and they are just getting their livelihood by cultivating different types of crops. And this river is amazing, and whatever I can say, I don't have any word that I can explain this place rightly. So I'm just getting mind blowing. So I'm just coming here and try to enjoy the beauty of this village somewhere. And right now you are getting the call of prayer. That's mean we can say like in Bengali, like azan. But maybe azan is not a Bengali word, it's an Arabic word, by the way. So we are getting azan, and it's right time for praying Asr Salah. So I will go there definitely. But right now I'm just trying to say something in English, and you know that most of the cases we are just having a lot of barrier of English, and lot of barrier, we cannot speak English. We are just having, what can I say, like we're having inertia, we're having much more materiality whenever we try to speak something in front of my friends or anywhere. And that's why I'm actually practicing, I'm speaking, and I'm polishing my English day by day, and enhancing vocabulary. So much more important, so even I try to give some public speech, and it's very difficult to get this gathering, but whenever I get any chance, I just try to grab out. So after getting the chance, I'm actually trying to speak something in front of my classmates and otherwhere. So I'm trying, definitely trying, because you know that if you want to be good speaker, then you have to speak. If you want to be a good swimmer, then you have to jump the water. But without jumping the water, you cannot be a good swimmer actually. So without jumping the water, you cannot be a good swimmer. So that's the same thing. If you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be a good public speaker, then you have to speak publicly. So that's why I'm trying. I'm being humbled because you are listening my voice. So that's amazing, and thank you for all of you who are listening my voice. And I would like to urge all of you to come here to visit this place and try to practice for enhancing your English entirely. So thanks for listening, and if you are new, then you should subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So thank you for watching, and thanks and best of luck all of you for your practicing. Thank you.